The dream that's left of us are pictures in the ash, but I can't burn these memories trapped in my heart. Now all that's left of us is a love that I can't touch. All your empty promises break me apart. The dream that's left of us are pictures in the ash, but I can't burn these memories trapped in my heart. Now all that's left of us is a love that I can't touch. All your empty promises break me apart into pieces of us, hanging on to every word you say. Like a smoke you keep filling my lungs. All our dreams echo in my head. Stole my heart and turned my love into a weapon. Bullets are deception, never pulled the trigger, always kept me guessing. Now I'm watching you walking out the door and pick up my heart, laying on the floor. Something about you blinded me when I looked in your eyes. My intuition screaming, cause I've always seen the signs. Now I'm setting fire to the years of you and I. Don't know how to say goodbye. The dream that's left of us are pictures in the ash, but I can't burn these memories trapped in my heart. Now all that's left of us is a love that I can't touch. All your empty promises break me apart. The dream that's left of us are pictures in the ash, but I can't burn these memories trapped in my heart. Now all that's left of us is a love that I can't touch. All your empty promises break me apart into pieces of us, into pieces.